Squire Fleck throwing out the first ball to our catchers from the 14-year-old team, Bobby Jackson and Alex Swerzik. If you guys want to come in the home plate. Anything you want to say? Put this right. They're all. There we go. Baseball quote the way we started. And this one's by Babe Ruth, and he said baseball was, is, and always will be to him the best game in the world. I think we have about 84 kids out here who would agree, and probably another 150 parents who would agree. It's a wonderful game. It's a game of lessons, a game of humility, a game of excitement and winning, and how to deal with loss. I think baseball teaches you about life as all sports do. Make sure when you're in your car going home with your kids, don't forget to discuss the life lessons. It isn't always fair. The umpire doesn't always make the right call. Your boss doesn't always treat you fairly. Use these to help make sure that they grow as men as well as baseball players. You're in the best program in town. I will believe that till the day I die, and I believe I'm right. Enjoy the Green Centers. Have a great season. I'm open. You can talk to me anytime you want to. Give me a call. Best of luck. Go get it.